Well, I came out here to feed my deer, keep an eye on things, and look who decided to visit. He was probably, I'm guessing, 4 feet. Make sure there ain't nobody else around. Hey, buddy. Wonder if we can get him to be angry. I don't know. He is definitely froze. He just wants me to leave him alone. Get y'all a good view of him. He looks like he's gonna be nice and docile. He's got probably, looks like about 8 buttons on him. They fall off whenever they get too long. They start shedding, or when they rattle. You never know. It's not really a good age indicator. Roughly, they shed every 3 years or so. Now I'll probably shorten this down and put it on the shorts, but give you a good look at him. He is beautiful. Back him up a little bit. See if we can get a look at them eyeballs. Yep, he's pretty. I don't know how I missed him with the truck. Oh, I know what he's after. He's after rabbits out here. I have a lot of rabbits and squirrels. I have noticed it seems like the canebrakes go after squirrels more often. And it seems like the diamondbacks really like rabbits. Go figure. That's just my personal experience. There's no science behind that. All right. Adios, buddy.